Global IP Trust, Presence. The Anduril Ghost 4. Meet the Anduril Ghost 4. The Ghost 4 is an autonomous drone that operates on the Lattice AI platform. It is designed and developed by Anduril, a US-based defense product company. Ghost 4 provides real-time surveillance, intelligence, and reconnaissance capabilities, creating a clearer common operating picture, which helps servicemen and women make more informed decisions. It incorporates AI technology into modern warfare. Capable of 32 trillion operations per second, Ghost 4 harnesses Lattice's AI core to run algorithms at the edge. Ghost 4 can autonomously detect, classify, and track objects of interest in low bandwidth or contested environments. It comes with intelligent teaming features to work with other Ghost 4s, which allow for achieving tougher missions. The Ghost 4 airframe is user configurable, with multiple integration bays customizable for almost any mission. It comes with a quick-release gimbal for easy swapping for different objectives. Ghost 4 fits inside a portable case, is waterproof, and is virtually silent compared to other drones. Ghost 4 is designed to be used on a variety of missions in any environment, including ISR, counter-intrusion, SAR, and signals intelligence. With 100+ minutes of endurance, Ghost 4 is the best military UAV for all sorts of missions. For more information on Ghost 4, visit anduril.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.